It's been days since we started talking about Galaxy S23 Ultra performance and how it is not performing well in the Geekbench score, and the new overclocked Snapdragon 8gen2 is not performing well. But here's the good news for you. Now, Galaxy S23 Ultra shows its original speed. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to this channel. As per new Geekbench score, Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 1566 single-core score and 5179 multi-core score. This is the highest number we get on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this score is the first one to get over 5000 mark, still behind the normal Snapdragon 8gen2, but much better than the previous scores. Although benchmarks don't matter a lot in these days, but we still get an idea how well it will perform. And this new Geekbench score also confirmed the overclocked CPU of Galaxy S23 Ultra at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 on the normal Snapdragon 8gen2. Let me know in the comments, do you guys need more powerful CPU or you need better optimization between battery and performance? Another great news is waiting for you that the cooling system of Galaxy S23 Ultra is working well with the new Snapdragon 8gen2. As per Anthony, Galaxy S23 Ultra new cooling system brings no heating issue, and Galaxy S23 Ultra brings optimization between battery, performance and cooling system. He also mentioned Galaxy S23 Ultra and other two devices will going to come with a better cooling system, so we can hope a better performance out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And if you guys don't know, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with much improved power efficient processor, where this time we are going to get 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency, which means we don't have any issues with the Galaxy S23 Ultra battery. Also, Samsung is going to add the additional feature in it called Light Mode on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which will limit the processor higher frequencies but will keep the 120Hz refresh rate. So now you can expect some great screen on time on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. One big disappointing news that I want to share with you guys, that Galaxy S23 Ultra is not coming with LTPO 3.0 technology, or I should simply say, it will not capable of going up to 20 to 100 nits peak brightness. We're going to get same 1750 nits peak brightness just like the S22 Ultra, which is not a good thing. And with that, Samsung is going to use the same technology that we have seen on the S22 Ultra, and because of that we are getting the same power efficiency. But if Samsung used the LTPO 3.0, it can easily give you 45% more power efficient better than current generation. Samsung planned to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra on the 1st of Feb earlier than expected, and phones will hit the market after a week or so. And if you want to see the detailed design look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.